step by step. Function f1, inside function write a for loop, and within the for loop there is a callback function. In this callback function, setTimeout is a built-in JavaScript function. Inside that write a callback function. You can pass that I value. So we are expecting what is the output here. So this thing output finally will get something like 4444. This is 4 times repeating. Here is a for loop, right? So in this for loop, first execute the for loop, complete the for loop, then this value is execute, because setTimeout for loop cannot wait until certain time setTimeout. So for loop is execute first, then setTime is after some time. This means by default there is no argument here. If we by default 4 milli complete, then only the value is displaying here. Okay, so the final result is 4 times loop continue. Final result is 4444. This is 4 times. Okay, so I can show you example. Then go to console. Here create a node application, create a directory first, some example mkdir example. Okay, we go to example here, create a simple node application, node npm init, then give all the default values, then go here, just function f1. Okay, function 1 without argument, create a function, write a for loop, I value is 0, initial value, I less than 4, that means 4 times looping, I plus plus, increment each value. Okay, then right here setTimeout. In the setTimeout pass the callback function. This is a callback function, we are not passing any argument, just write the console.log I value, just 1 millisecond, save it. Now start this application, node clear console. So now see the output. This is the output, 4 times loop, final output is 4, is a high value is a 4. So next do another scenario. So how to, if you want something like you can use a closer, and you can get actual result, something like 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can use the closer, you can get actual output. So if we copy this function again, so here put something like function 2 and function 2, write here some anonymous function bracket, can start the function anonymous function, close this here, right. Okay, and copy this entire line, cut this line, put it inside here. Then so here function, right? So how to call this function? So we are calling this function to executing, the loop is calling. Then how to execute this function? so you cannot write. So how to do this? Just write something like immediate function. Immediate function means just write the bracket. You can pass something like I value, and this is argument, and pass to call this function, put something variable j and add j value. So this is a, now we call this function. Now your output is your, see, your function is execute immediately, then your data is a holding here. So this data is a holding in this closure function. So in this closure function, return the actual value 0 1 2 3. Okay, save it, then run this function. Okay, see here 0 1 2 3. Okay, so expected 4 times looping. So value is displaying with a closure. Okay, thank you very much.